Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical 2D sketch in SolidWorks 2025. We'll learn it. Now I am going to draw the circle from origin to circle draw. Now give the dimension. This circle dimension 19.5 and this circle dimension 13.5. Okay, select. Now go to line again. Draw the center line from origin. Draw the line. Select. Just move this point here. This line dimension to this line and this line distance 7.5 and this line dimension 3.75 and this line dimension 7. Okay, select. This point control, this point vertical. Now draw the line here, select. Just move the center line. Now draw the here center line make. This center line and this line center line degree 60. Okay, select. Now go to mirror and this center line select about this center line. Okay. Now go to 3-point arc. Select. This R midpoint control this point vertical. Now go to smart dimension. These are dimension 12.5, 22.5. Sorry, 22.5. Okay. Okay. This point and this point distance 20. Okay, select. Now this point and this are distance 52.5. 50. Delete this dimension. This point and this are distance 52.5. Okay, select. Now this point and this point distance, no need distance, delete. Okay. Now just move here. Now go to offset. Now these are select. Give the value 3. Make base geometry. Okay. Now go to this point, control this center line, coincident. Okay. Now go to line here and select here. Select. This line make vertical. Okay. Now this line dimension, 11.25. Okay, select. Just move here. This line control this line equal. This line control this line collinear. Okay. This point control this central arc coincident. Control Z. Okay. Just move here. Now go to arc, make center arc, make center arc. These are control, these are tangent. Just move here. This line control this line equal. Okay. Now I'm going to here give the value 3. Give the value 2.7. Okay. Give the value same value. Okay. Select. Now here give the value 3. Okay. Now go to select mirror about this central line. Okay. Okay. Make our job. Now I am going to here. Now give the value edit 7 or 6. 6. Okay. Now go to trim hair, cut this arc, this arc. Okay. Now hair cut. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.